have Shilpa ma'am from SAMBHRAM Institute of Technology. She also attended this SkillX workshop. Let's see what's her experience towards the SkillX talks.
Hi, I'm Shilpa from EC department. I'm working as an assistant professor over here. Our students and the CS department students, they have attended the SkillX program. It was really an interactive session which was conducted over here, as well as they came to know what about machine learning and the artificial intelligence, what is a career in the industry area, as well as what is a package and how useful it is for them. So I thank the team to giving awareness to the program as well as for ourselves. Thank you.